Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be repairing a pop-up sprinkler which has stopped swinging from side to side. So to fix this sprinkler in absolutely the easiest possible way, what I've gone and done is I've brought an entire sprinkler, which is exactly the same as the old one, but I'm not going to dig out the entire canister. What I'm going to do is to remove the internal of this one, the internal from the old one, and we'll just swap the internal over. All right, so it's pretty simple actually. We just unscrew the internal canister out of this one, and we can see it's just there. Now we'll unscrew the internal canister out of the old one. I'll just remove some of the mud that's close up around the top of the canister there. Like I say, I'm not going to dig it out entirely. And then I'll just unscrew the top. Oop. You can see this one's falling apart anyway, so it's probably overdue for a replacement. All right, and the next thing I'm going to do is actually check the size of the plug. So this one's got a 2.0 nozzle in it, the brand new one. And let's see what was in the old one. So the old one had a 2.0 in it as well, so we don't need to swap that over. So now it's really as simple as installing the new sprinkler straight in. Now you can see I've adjusted the right hand throw here. We'll pop that in. All right, so then what we need to do is to adjust the total arc. So we put it in the one that's opposite to the nozzle, the hole down there, and then we can turn that. Okay, need to turn it a little bit more. A little bit more. Nearly there. Oh, looks like it's a little bit too far. Perfect. So time to test. So there you go, folks. That's how to quickly and easily repair that busted gear-driven sprinkler. And if you're like me, you really like to do things the easy way. So, folks, if you have liked this video, do feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, have a good evening.